Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to open up the community chest in Monopoly Go. To open up the community chest in Monopoly Go is easy. First of all, open the Monopoly Go application on your device, and then from the main home page, look for the community chest icon on your board. It usually appears during special events or after completing specific in-game tasks. Simply tap on the open button in the community chest and then click on the start button. Press on start until you unlock all the rewards, and then you will be able to unlock the community chest. After you open up the chest, you'll receive a mix of in-game items like cash, dice, and sticker packs to help you progress. Opening up the community chest in Monopoly Go is a great way to earn free rewards that help you advance faster in the game. Keep rolling the dice and participating in events to unlock more chests. If you found the video helpful, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up, like and share the video for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.